Hi friends, today we are learn the spot healing tool in Adobe Photoshop C6. First we will open the image from the folder that we want to spot heal or fix the skin of. I want to remove the pimples on the girl's face in this picture, and for that I will use the spot heal tool. Now I've selected the spot heal tool, and now I'm going to give it a smooth brush and set its size to about 50%. Now with my mouse head I will left click every time I want to remove a pimple from a spot on the skin, or simply put my mouse cursor on it and left click. This tool is also used to remove dust from products or to remove excess material. See how easily we remove those pimples from this girl's face, and that's how easy it is to fix the products we use for digital marketing using this tool. There is a way. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel Gamer GFX.